If you never had Rasta pasta like this, you've been missing out. Today I'm showing you guys how to make the most creamy, delicious shrimp Rasta pasta. It's super easy, bold flavor, and takes no time. Let's get into it. All right, guys, I have about a little bit under 2 pounds of shrimp, already nice and clean. I'm going to pat it dry. Make sure it doesn't have any water to it. That way that seasoning can really stick on there. So I'm patting it dry. Now that we have the shrimp nice and dry, drizzle some olive oil, well, avocado oil, give it a nice mix. And now we're going to season it. Now, I'm using 2 different type of marinade. I'm using jerk seasoning and Haitian green seasoning. You don't have to use the Haitian green seasoning, but I like to mix it. It's just give it a different flavor that I really like. So I'm going to mix it, just add it in there. Just add it in there just like this. Also, for my dry seasoning, I have onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, ground black pepper, parsley. I'm adding a little bit of that in there, the rest for the sauce, and just mix it up. I literally made something similar to this yesterday. It was a loaded jerk shrimp. It was so good. So I'm using the same type of seasoning. And there you go. Your shrimp is nicely seasoned. While the shrimp is marinating, let's boil the pasta. So I have my water already. Actually, let's add the salt. In the chicken bouillon, I like to add both. It adds flavor to our pasta. Give that a mix just like this. And then go in with our fettuccine pasta, of course, or noodle. You can use linguine, penne pasta, it's up to you. I'm using half of the box because a little bit goes a long way. So just a half. Half will give you at least 2 servings. So I'm just gonna push that in. And then we're going to allow it to cook until it's nice and al dente. Just cover it. Now let's pan-sear our shrimp. I'm going to drizzle some avocado oil. Then we're going in with the shrimp. Woo! Now the shrimp shouldn't take long to cook at all. It should take about 2 minutes per side, and then we'll remove it to make the beautiful pasta sauce. All right, now it is time to flip it over. It smells so amazing. Ooh, so amazingly delicious. Oh man. Just quickly flip them over. We're gonna let it go for another minute and then we'll remove it. It is time to remove the shrimp, you guys. It looks really good. As you can see, the seasoning, the marinade is actually sticking to it, make it nice and flavorful instead of looking plain. So that was the whole goal while we pat it dry, to make sure the seasoning is really stick on there. And ow, that smells so good, y'all. Here's what we're going to do now. We're going to make that delicious sauce. So to the same skillet, I'm going in with about 1 tablespoon of butter. Put that in. All this right here is flavor, you guys. All this at the bottom, flavor. We're going to saute our bell peppers and onion until they're nice and soft. So this might take a few minutes to cook them. So just toss them here and there. All right, guys, now that we have our bell peppers nice and soft, let's go ahead and add the garlic. I don't want to burn the garlic. I usually add it in the last minute. I'm going to allow it to fragrance a little bit, and then we can add the heavy whipping cream. All right, now we're going to pour in our heavy whipping cream. This is about 1 cup. Give it a nice mix. Now to season, I'm going to use the remaining of the seasoning that I used earlier on the shrimp. And also, I'm going in with some more jerk seasoning. Give it a nice Caribbean flavor, okay? Make it nice and flavorful and bold flavor. And also, I like this to be creamy, so I'm going in with some cream cheese. Cream cheese, you can add cream cheese or mozzarella. I want it more creamy than cheesy, so cream cheese, and also we'll add some mozzarella, not mozzarella, parmesan later. Now is the perfect time to add the pasta. Just add that in. I want it to swim in the pasta sauce, okay? So give it a nice mix. That looks so good. That looks really, really good. And then we're going to add that shrimp on top. Oh my, oh my. Looks so good and tastes so good. At this point, let me turn off the stove because we want a lot of sauce. We want it to be saucy. And now's the perfect time to add your shrimp. I'm gonna save some to garnish later. A little bit of Parmesan cheese. Parmesan cheese. And we are ready to dive in. Looking good, smelling good. Perfect. Let's plate this delicious Rasta pasta. So good. All right, guys, it is time to taste this delicious shrimp rasta pasta. Let's give it a try. Oh, let's try the shrimp. Flavorful, bold flavor. I'm telling you, so quick, so delicious. Creamy, not too spicy. Listen, if you're making this recipe, always go for the mild jerk seasoning because it's not too spicy. It's just perfect. Oh my gosh, amazing. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Let me know down below if you're going to try this out. Have you ever tried Rasta pasta shrimp combination before? I know a lot of people go for the chicken, but let me know if you try the shrimp. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Also, subscribe. I would love for you to be part of the family. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.